Hey guys, it's Tanya here. I'm here today to unbox a brand new Summer Essentials treat bag. This bundle is a total summer mood. It's essentially your entire lash wardrobe in one cute travel-friendly bag. You're getting 6 full-size products here. The value is insane because this one bundle can create endless summer looks. First up, we've got Haute Couture Clusters. These range from 10 to 14mm. They're super wispy and delicate, perfect for a medium glam with a soft wispy finish. Then we have Très Chic Clusters. These are a total holiday must-have. They're the perfect on-the-go size with 10 and 12mm lengths, but you still get that lifted effect, but in a size that fits in any makeup bag. And for those beach days when you're in a rush, the pre-glued chocolate everyday map is a lifesaver. No glue needed, just press and go. Perfect for all lash beginners. You also get all the essential tools to lock your lashes into place, so you get this mini applicator. It's the perfect size for your travel bag. And last but not least, a clear bond and seal. This is the most important tool so all of your lashes can lock into place for up to 7 days. We wanted this bundle to be totally travel friendly, so everything in this bundle will fit in your travel bag. And this travel makeup bag is the beauty essential. It's designed to keep your makeup protected and organized wherever you're heading. And this is available to buy separately. So let me show you my favorite lash style from this bundle. This is the Haute Couture style from the bundle, and I am obsessed. This style is the perfect hybrid lash for effortless day to night wear. This look is perfect for all my summer plans. They are super lightweight and blend into my natural lashes seamlessly. You can get this Summer Essentials treat bag with 6 full-size products for just $25.95. It's worth £56.80, so you are saving over 50% off. One bundle with endless summer looks. Tap the link and get the summer ready at tattilashes.com.